Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I come with another video. In this video, you will get 45 plus free Udemy courses with certification. These courses are free for limited time with lifetime access with certification, so enroll as soon as possible. If you apply for the course for free or forward this video to at least one person and help them to save money. Many industry folks pressure and are not aware of such free coupon distribution and spending thousands of money on buying this used course. You need to spread this video and help them to save money. Before getting started, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos and also join my Telegram group for daily course updates. My blog. The first course is Anyone Can Design Graphic Design Certification 2021. In this course, you will learn create breakthrough and wow inspirational graphic posts for social media. Know the tools of the trade that can be used for creating amazing graphics. Learn to schedule posts on Facebook, Twitter, and popular platforms in one go. Use graphic templates to speed up the process and resize the same for any social media network. Come up with thousands of ideas for social media graphics in Fresh. The cost of the course is 1,280 rupees. By using the code, you can get it free. This course includes 1.5 hour on-demand video, one article, full lifetime access, access on mobile and TV, and certification on completion. The next course is Stop Motion Object Animation using Dynamic Resolve and MATLAB. In this course, you will learn basic animation for beginners using free software course. Learn the basic of MATLAB. This course is taught in English. Learn the basic of Dynamic Resolve. How to create basic stop motion object animation video. This course cost of rupees 1,280 rupees. By using code, you can get it in free. This course includes 1 hour on-demand video, two articles, full lifetime access, access on mobile and TV, and certification on completion. The next course is how to create stunning marketing video using free paid tools. In this course, you will learn to create video that sells, learn to create effective sales video, learn to create affiliate video, learn to create video using PowerPoint. This course is cost of up to 3,200. By using the code, you can get it free. This course includes 1.5 hour on-demand video, two downloadable resources, full lifetime access, access on mobile and TV, and certification on completion. The next course is Intro to Adobe Color, Spark, Rush, and BandLab. In this course, you will learn basic design and general knowledge for beginners using free software course. Adobe Rush, create a basic website. This course is in English. How to use Adobe Spark, edit image, edit and create a video. This course includes 2 hour on-demand video, two articles, full lifetime access, access on mobile and TV, assignment, and certification on completion. The next course is Forex Day Trading course. In this course, you will learn how to trade profitable with the market indicator. This course includes 1.5 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, access on mobile and TV, and certification on completion. Next course is Investing Expert, Investing Stock Mutual Fund EFTS. In this course, you will learn investing in stock market, investing in ETF, placing brokerage order, investing in mutual funds, how to choose brokerage. In this course includes 1 hour on-demand video, three downloadable resources, one practice test, full lifetime access, access on mobile and TV, assignment, and certification on completion. The next course is Skillshare Course Marketing. In this course, you will learn option for marketing Skillshare course. So this course will be taught in English. The course includes 2.5 hour on-demand video, two articles, three downloadable resources, full lifetime access, access on mobile and TV, and certification on completion. The next course is Building Sales, Relationship, and Networking. In this course, you will learn discover the benefit of developing a support network of connection, learn how to truly like your acquaintances, understand how to build your relationship can help you to develop your business base, recognizing the key interpersonal skills, and practice using them. This course includes 35 minutes on demand video, full lifetime access, access on mobile and TV, and certification on completion. The next course is Time Management for Personal and Business. In this course, you will learn how to manage and prioritize time. This course will be 1 hour on demand video, 33 articles, full lifetime access, access on mobile and TV, and certification on completion. The next course is Spot 5 interview tech question answer with explanation. In this course, you will learn actual TV Go Spot 5 interview question with detailed explanation, all technical question answers with examples, all possible approach to achieve the particular task are discussed, question on data source, data table, visualization, and Python, documents, property, etc. Recommended answer for non-technical questions. Resource for read further about Spot 5. This course includes 41 minutes of on-demand video, two articles, one downloadable resource, full lifetime access, access on mobile and TV, and certification of completion. The next course is Ultimate Beginner Guide for Streamlabs OBS. Those who want to do live stream on Twitch, YouTube, and other platforms, they can do this course. This course includes 2 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, access on mobile and TV, and certification of completion. The next course is OBS Studio Ultimate Live Streaming Guide to OBS Studio. In this course, you will learn open broad. In this course, you will learn open broadcaster software essentials, streaming with OBS, video recording with OBS. This course includes 2.5 on-demand video, full lifetime access, access on mobile and TV, and certification on completion. The next course is Client Area and Consultation. In this course, you will learn how to instantly connect with your client or customer for the first time you meet them and keep them repeat client. This course includes 35 minutes of on-demand video, 9 articles, full lifetime access, access on mobile and TV, and certification on completion. The next course is Speed Reading Concept. This course teaches students how to read faster by skimming through the important part of the content. In this course, you will learn speed reading concept, reading both uh, reading both silently and speedily and verbally and fluidly, how to extract meaning from a sentence. This course includes 1 hour on-demand video, 2 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, access on TV and mobile, and certification on completion. The next course is CV0001 CompTIA Cloud Practice Certificate Exam 01. In this course includes 6 practice tests, full lifetime access, access on mobile. The next course is CV001 Certificate Exam 2. This course includes 6 practice tests, 2 full lifetime access and access on mobile. The next course is Cloud Practice Certificate Exam 3. This includes 5 practice tests, full lifetime access on mobile. The next course is 0 to Hero Microsoft Excel Complete Excel Guide for 2021. In this course, you will learn Excel chart, spreadsheet, formula, shortcut, macros, and tips and tricks. This course includes 6.5 hour on-demand video, 14 articles, 20 downloadable resources, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification on completion. The next course is Certified Six Sigma White Belt. In this course, at the end, you will learn basic concept for understanding of Six Sigma concept. You will have the basic understanding of DMAC approach for process improvement. This course includes 1 hour on-demand video, 3 articles, 1 downloadable resource, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification on completion. The next course is AR in Depth 101. In this course, you will understand the argument reality in depth, various key tracking technology, and making 20 apps from scratch. This course consists of 4.5 hour on-demand video, 3 articles, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, assignment, and certification on completion. The next course is Artificial Intelligence Content Creation Tool 2021. In this course, you will learn about AI tool to write content for you automatically in 2021. This course gives 1 hour on-demand video, 1 article, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, assignment, and certification on completion. The next course is Anyone Can Design Graphic Design Certification. In this course, you will learn breakthrough and wow inspiration graphic posts for social media. Know the tools of the trade that can be useful for creating amazing graphics. Learn to schedule posts on Facebook, Twitter, and popular platforms in one go. Use the graphic templates to speed up the process and research the same network for any social media. Come up with thousands of ideas social media graphics in Flash. This course includes 1.5 hour on-demand video, one article, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification on completion. The next course is Learn to Code in Python 3, Programming Beginner to Advanced. In this, we will learn the basic fundamentals of programming and writing computer code, work with JSON and send HTTP requests to web server and API to get the data for external service, an introduction to machine learning in Python, use Python to solve real-life problems with computer programs, statistics and data visualization, use Python to manipulate files such as Excel sheets and TXT files. This course includes 5.5 on-demand video, two downloadable resources, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification on completion. Next course is complete JavaScript course for beginners with jQuery and Ajax. In this course, you will learn basics of JavaScript from beginning to advanced. Ajax and HTTP requests build dynamic web application with JavaScript, the jQuery framework, the external data from API, and work with JSON format, the basic of front-end web development. This course includes 15.5 hour on-demand video, 11 downloadable resources, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Java Collection Framework plus Generic Lambda and Stream API. In this course, you will learn Java Collection Framework from scratch to pro level with practical exercise. This course will 5.5 hour on-demand video, 9 coding exercise, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certificate on completion. The next course is Git for Basic to Advanced Practical Guide for Developers. In this course, you will learn Git from basic to advanced level. During this course, you will create your own project that will be managed by Git. This course includes 3.5 hour on-demand video, 2 articles, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification on completion. The next course is DevOps Fundamentals. In this course, you will learn what is DevOps and why it has become popular in the IT industry. Understand what is DevOps pipeline. Learn to use source code management toolkit. Learn to fundamental principle of DevOps. Learn how to use the CI and CD tools in Jenkins. This course includes 2 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification on completion. The next course is Windows Command Line and Batch Script Management. In this course, you will learn common command like cmd, promote, and create and program batch script. This course includes 31 minutes on-demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification on completion. The next course is HTML5 from basic to advanced level. In this course, you will learn to create a simple web page using HTML5, to create tables in HTML, to include multimedia, for project to test your knowledge, learn basic tech of HTML, to create customization form and add form validation in HTML, to create your own vector graphics using SVG. This course includes 3.5 hour on-demand video, 2 downloadable resources, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certificate on completion. The next course is Java from Zero to First Job, Part 1 Practical Guide. In this course, you will learn Java from scratch and become Java software engineer basic OOP, interview question, Git, Java collection, etc. This course includes 20 hour on-demand video, 2 articles, 2 practice tests, 38 coding exercise, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, assignment, and certification on completion. The next course is OOP from basic to advanced in Java. In this course, you will learn OOP solving principle with Java examples, implement backend part of online store by the end of the course. This course includes 2.5 hour on-demand video, 15 coding exercise, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certificate on completion. The next course is Complete Python Bootcamp, Go Beginner to Expert in Python 3. In this course, you will learn beginner to advanced in Python programming, Python, MongoDB, SQLite, Sli, Tuple, Python OOP, Python 3. This course includes 11 hour on-demand video, 8 articles, 87 downloadable resources, 9 coding exercise, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, assignment, and certification on completion. The next course is Python Complete Course for Beginners. This course is depth introduction to both fundamental Python programming concepts and the Python programming language. This course includes 5.5 on-demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next is AWS Certified DevOps Engineer Professional Practice Exam. This course includes 6 practice tests, full lifetime access on mobile. The next course is Start with Google Earth Engine and Spatial Analysis Beginner. In this course, you will gain the information about Google Earth Engine platform, then how to calculate spectral indices and work with big data cloud, get introduction to remote sensing and satellite image, get introduced to JavaScript skills on Google Earth Engine platform, learn image classification, basic in Earth Engine exploration, understand how to work with satellite image on the desktop computer and on the cloud. This course includes 2 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification on completion. Next course is Shopify Guide. In this course, you will get complete Shopify store creation course. In this course, you will learn how to make a Shopify store from scratch, be able to improve your store and add many different things, understand way to make your store for more performance, understand how to run e-commerce from your home, learn different tips and tricks. This course includes 2.5 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification on completion. The next course is Learn Java and Artificial Intelligence Program Tools. In this course, you will know Java programming with touch of futurist AI code, tools, and concepts. This course includes 2.5 hour on-demand video, one article, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification on completion. The next course is SEO Complete Specialization course. In this course, you will learn SEO techniques, Google search engine, content writing and marketing, on-page optimization, keyword and competitor researcher, organic marketing, technical SEO, off-page optimization, social media marketing, lead generation. This course includes 3.5 hour on-demand video, one downloadable resources, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, assignment and certification completion. The next course is AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner 4-year practice exam 2021. This course includes 5 practice tests, full lifetime access on mobile. The next course is IBM Practice Test for Administrator and Developer. This course includes 2 practice tests, full lifetime access on mobile. The next course is IBM SPA Application Server Practice Test Certificate. This course includes 3 practice tests, full lifetime access on mobile. Next course is AWS Solution Architect Certified Associate Practice Exam. This course includes 5 practice tests, full lifetime access on mobile. I recommended you to share this video to others because they can also get the benefit of the course with free of cost. If you have any doubt or query, then comment below. Thank you.